G'day you little legends, Brent Draper here. Today we're making a ricotta and mushroom pizza. Today we are cooking with one of my favourite ingredients, the humble mushroom. Now they're so versatile, you can have them in pasta, you can make a risotto out of them, you can put them on a pizza like we're doing today. So what you're gonna do first is go over, preheat the oven to 225 degrees, and then let's get started. So you wanna grab about 4 to 5 mushrooms and slice them up. All right, so we got a nice medium-high heat on this fry pan. In goes a little bit of oil. In goes the mushrooms, the red onion, really good stir. In goes some butter and our thyme. All right, so we've got the mushroom and onion mix that goes on the pizza. What are we missing? The pizza base. This one, a little bit different to your normal tomato pizza base. We're going bechamel. Now, bechamel on the bottom, mixed with some ricotta and parmesan. I think that's a match made in heaven. So let's get into it. Super simple. Bechamel is butter, flour, and milk. We've got a low to medium heat. You just want to mix that. And what's actually going to happen? It's going to start to thicken because of that flour in here. I'm just going to add in some salt and pepper. So I've got the bechamel off the heat now. We're going to add in half of the parmesan and give it a good mix. That there is your pizza base. Simple. All right, time to build a pizza. You can make your own pizza base, and you know, I would really advise you go and do that because it's great fun. But we are using a Coles pizza base, pre-made, which makes it so much easier. So we've got a bechamel base, and then you just want to spread it out. We've got our mushroom and onion mix. Now we're gonna go in a few dollops of ricotta. I just like to do little random dollops everywhere. Beautiful. Good sprinkle of parmesan. What we've got here is a lemon rind, which just freshens it all up. Now being very careful, we're gonna put it in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. When we bring it out, it's gonna be this beautiful caramelized, delicious pizza. We're gonna finish it with some rocket and some extra virgin olive oil, and it is gonna be delicious. Righto, so that was 10 minutes in the oven. Have a look at that. We're gonna finish it with some rocket. So just spread it all around and cut it into 8 carefully. Large knife or a pizza cutter. A drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Look at that, beautiful. Guys, 3rd to the 30th of May, 2023, Coles donate 20 cents from every one of these packets sold to the Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation. Get out there, get them, create an amazing dish. You're gonna love it.